Hey guys, Jeff with Down to RV here. Greetings from Flagler Beach, Florida. But this video is not going to be about Flagler Beach. Not yet. We'll release that soon enough. We were traveling so quickly and recording so many things that our videos started to lag behind, where we were in South Dakota and our last video was in New Hampshire. So we felt the audience really wanted to see videos that were closer to our actual location. So we skipped a ton of content. Now I have to find a way to reintroduce that content to the channel. And I think the best way to do that is just do a little intro like this and go ahead and show you some of this content because it's really good stuff. This video, you're going to see some awesome seafood, some epic shorelines, and you're going to figure out why we used to have a red truck in some of our older videos and now we're driving a Jeep. So thanks for your support, and without further ado,
the morning time and we don't have a lot of groceries, so we're actually walking to the gas station to find some stuff to cook while we wait until tomorrow, Monday, to take the truck to the mechanic. So where are we headed? We're headed to go get something to eat and then to the beach.
trying to salvage a bad day.
Yep, salvage a bad day.
Salvage Jeff's bad attitude.
Yep, that's what we're doing. Very pretty here. A little hard to video, I'm riding a bike, but freaking hot out. This bike ride is killing me. Because we passed the restaurant and then we found the restaurant and yeah, no, so. So where are we at, honey? Billy's Chowder House.
Here, Billy's Chowder House.
We're gonna get some food. What are you drinking there, honey?
Jalapeno margarita.
Oh, and how is it?
It's freaking delicious.
It's delicious. And what are you drinking there, Missy?
I'm drinking 2 cups.
2 cups. And then Mommy got a cucumber raspberry cooler. Oh.
All right, so we got to share some real life RV camping stuff that goes on. Man, this is tough. Anyway, we traveled, we left New Hampshire and everything was great. We got to Maine and decided to unload our tow vehicle. And yeah, check this out. Starts right up. Yeah, even sounds good. Yeah, the white smoke of death. Now we've had a lot of work done to this truck because it's my truck, it's my baby, it was paid off. That was part of the plan, is to not have any bills. It's my Tonka. I didn't want to get rid of it. The wife did. She didn't like this truck, but anyway, significant amount of engine repairs have already been done to this truck. And basically, it looks like the head gasket's gone. So, that leaves us with no choice. And in a expensive situation, in a state far, far away from home. So, in a serendipitous set of events, as we were sitting here with no vehicle to drive around because the mechanic said that this thing's gonna not work much longer, we discovered a camper 4 sites down from us. And just through general conversation at the pool, he said, hey, I'll sell you my Jeep. So I'm gonna go take a look at this Jeep right now. We're gonna take it over to a mechanic and have it checked out, and maybe we'll have a new vehicle here. All right, so the possible solution for our broken truck is this 2003 Jeep Wrangler. Boy, this one is in good condition. And the guy selling it to us is letting us borrow it for the day. It's pretty awesome. Sometimes bad things can make good things happen. So here's the Jeep. That we're looking at buying. Taking it over here to a local mechanic, have them check it out and see what's up. So today's the day, it's go time. The Tonka truck is getting picked up. I don't know, mixed emotions about it. I didn't want to get rid of my Tonka truck, but can't keep spending money on repairs. It is what it is.
Mosquito repellent. I appreciate it.
And just like that, it rolls away. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nauseous over it. So today we're here with Brian, the seafood peddler, and the guy who sold us the Jeep. He's doing a clam boil for some people in the campground, and he's got his secret seasoning here. That's a blend of more than 11 herbs and spices.
Kentucky Fried Chicken's got nothing on me.
Yeah, and his custom cookers here, built out of the old keg. You can't beat that. Look at that lid. Nice.
Go up to 20 clam boils in one shot.
20 clam boils in one shot. And we're gonna have some of those today. It's gonna be a good time. Check these bad boys out. Look at that preparation.
Basically cook the fixings for about 35 minutes. Throw the steamers on top for another 15. Let all the juice of the steams come down on top of the fixings, and she's done. Nice. Gonna do it just a little bit differently this time because we got lobsters. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna end up taking the bags out, putting the lobsters in, and putting everything back together, and in about 15 minutes she's done.
Excellent. I'm excited.
You're excited. I haven't had a clam boil since last week.
By the way, the seafood peddler is out of Massachusetts. Lobster.
Look at all the eyes.
Look at his belly.
Look, that's interesting.
See his belly?
Yeah.
Isn't he cool? He's... Here, touch it. You want to touch it?
He's so cute.
He's cool.
Do it, funny one.
Do I take one now? Oh, wait. She was so nice to ask you to come.
So even though we're in Maine, this guy traveled up from Massachusetts. If you're in the Massachusetts area, you gotta check out the Seafood Peddler. He's got 3 locations: Acushnet, Mass, Bellingham, Mass, and Plainville, Massachusetts. You gotta check him out. You can get the freshest seafood you've ever had in your life. Seafood
Clam
Peddler.
boil and lobster, pay attention. Don't pay attention to the people over there. All right?
So now we're having our second New England clam boil, and again, the ingredients are interesting. Corn,
Charisse, hot dog, breakfast sausage. Yeah, I said it. Breakfast sausage. Onions and potatoes. Steamers. And a lobster.